It's green tea matcha frappuccino.
We're back.
What's matcha, baby?
I don't know, but frappuccino sounds like coffee to me.
Something like that. So matcha is just the tea leaves inside of the tea, apparently. Oh, here's a display. Green vibrance from Nurture Soap. Some little matcha shreds, soapy things. The leaves made out of soap dough. And
Goldy green leaves.
looks like I'm using Windy Point Mica Fresh Green in there. And I might have mixed a different green for that one. Some straws. And still my old table setting. We're narrating in June, but this was made a couple months ago, so it's cured and ready at fruitsofaloon.com.
Yeah, we're out of sync with the videos because we're supposed to be camping, but
Camping has been ruined for 2 years straight, and I've been on the Doug Ford weight gain diet in my pajamas for 2 years almost, because I've gained about 25 pounds, all in my fat. Beep.
Ooh, something went past then.
That is my
motorbike.
piping, and it looks like we're putting a mixture of a few different kinds of greens into the main batter. Because why? It's green tea.
Yeah.
Whizzy again. Let's get busy.
Yeah, I don't remember you making this because I don't think I've seen you make it, but
No, I'm going to get you to start helping me more make soap, because I know you want to.
yeah.
I'm now making... Oh, we're adding some TD because it's looking too dark to me. I want those matcha shreds to show up.
So you're making it
a little lighter. That looks about right. Now making resin hairpins.
Terrapins?
No, hairpins.
Hairpins, I thought it said terrapins then.
They're all over my head. Do you see them?
Yeah.
Sparkly ones. I love playing with resin. But damn, that stuff stinks. Wear a mask. Every craft I do requires a mask. And there it is. Windy Point's green tea fragrance oil. Smells so fresh, that one. It smells like green tea, but it's a really fresh, clean scent.
I imagine this probably livens the old skin up when you're having a shower or a bath.
Yeah, now keep in mind, green always goes funky when you're making soap. So it's going to change a little bit. But I really wanted it to look like green tea. I think I succeeded. There's the matcha.
There's the matcha.
Made out of soap, scented soap. There's a little bit of gold in that matcha.
Yeah, because the leaves are gold, I think. Goldy green.
I don't know why I did it. I just thought that I should do it. So,
anyway, if you ever go to Spain and you want to order a coffee with milk, you say, "Café con leche."
do you?
That's the only Spanish I know, apart from La cuenta por favor. Can I have the bill, please?
Oh.
I probably mentioned this before.
Do you see that green changing every second as time goes on?
And it's going to get lighter, isn't it?
It's going to go back to normal. I promise. Oh, I did the piping in a different way this time. You haven't seen it.
No.
I did it sideways. You know where I saw someone do that?
No.
It was Karen from Eden's Secret.
Sideways piping.
Sideways piping. Thank you, Karen. She teaches a lot. She teaches me a lot when I watch her videos. Just try new things, you know? Look at that.
And this is going to be white, isn't it?
I thought instead of TD I'd try like a shimmery white, but then I was like, that's not white enough, so I added a bit of TD. Oh, there's a mess. That's why you wear long sleeves and gloves. Now it's magically cleaned up. So it's a nice white piping, but it's got that shimmery white mica in it. It looks edible.
It looks like thick cream.
Don't say
You
collagen.
just really can't do these sorts without thinking about food.
I know, my stomach growls every time we narrate. It's crazy. Into the piping bag we go. Green tea, matcha, whipped cream, I suppose it's supposed to represent. And look, it's still my old working surface. So this is now June. This video was done a couple months ago.
And here comes the crab method of piping side on.
Did you say crab? Did you
Crab.
Say crab.
Yeah.
Okay, no,
the
watch.
crab
Here's
method.
what I saw Karen from Eating Secret do. So I thought, I'm going to try this. So cool. I really enjoyed it. See how that's going sideways? I mean, do you also see how I'm out of my lines? But, oh well.
That's
Still
easy to
works
do
out
the other
here.
way.
It is easier, and it's not as tall. And it's really pretty.
That's a different kind of frosting, eh?
Yeah. I learn a lot from Karen. The last row, and that's all we're doing. Now, the straws are going in tall, but they're going to be trimmed before these bars ship. Because I just can't see shipping them the way they are. Get them straws in there, bionic woman mode. What else is new around here? Oh yeah, so yesterday I was playing music through the TV in the kitchen. Yeah, we have a TV in the kitchen just for music. It's so stupid. We have too many TVs, I don't know why. And normally we play the music through Alexa, right? Because you just go, Alexa, play my favorite song list from Spotify, and she plays it. And Alexa is a great little speaker. So usually that's what we do. So I'm upstairs, you're downstairs, the music's on the TV, not Alexa, and all I hear is, Alexa, next. Alexa, next song. Next. Alexa, next song, please.
Yeah, it's me.
And I'm up here going, it's not on Alexa. It's on the TV. What? Alexa, next. I don't know what song it was. One you can't stand.
Well, that's because sometimes Alexa ignores you.
It was probably Hot Chocolate, Sexy Thing, or something crazy, eh? Okay, there it is. The green's still a little wacky, but it does get better.
And there's the lovely little leaf, gold leaf
And
end
again,
bits.
the straws are too long, but they do get trimmed. Let's see what that matcha looks like on the inside. There we go. Green tea matcha frappuccino. I think I dropped the frappuccino in the title on the website.
Well, it's a form of drink, isn't it?
I
So-
had a bit of a hard... I should have trimmed the straws first, because I had a bit of a hard time getting the cutter between them.
Yeah.
I'm just kind of dumb that way.
And just for the record, I do not like any kind of fruit tea. I prefer the English tea, and that's it.
Because he's English, you know, herbal and fruity teas are just not tea.
To me, it's just like drinking pop.
I like peppermint tea. I like chamomile sometimes. Mostly peppermint tea.
But a lot of people have a different palate, don't they? But I prefer tea to be tea. This fruit tea doesn't work for me.
It's not real. It's not tea to you.
That's right.
Right? Just want to appreciate you guys for hanging around and watching my videos. Numbers are coming back up a little bit lately, and I really appreciate it.
That's turned out pretty good again.
Yeah, smells delicious. It's not a real foodie smell. Like I said, it's a clean, fresh smell. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video and you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit the like button, which I hear is disappearing soon, I hope. And we'll catch you next Saturday.
On to the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Be safe, people.
Be safe.
People.